Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Smart Tips. Today I am gonna discuss about Stormplay reward claim bug. A software bug is an error. From last few days I am able to claim reward only 3 to 4 times in a day. You can see in my reward history on 4th 1 2 3 4 5 times, on 3rd only 1. Whenever I try to claim, it shows like this. Sorry, we don't have any video to show you right now, please try again later. You can see. Finally I mailed to StormX support team. You can see my mail and they replied me like this: claim bug, our sincere apologies for the trouble. This is a known issue and our tech team is working to deploy possible fixes as of the moment. The Storm community will be updated once the problem is completely rectified. Please check back later. It's really frustrating for me because it needs 4 lakhs of bolts to withdraw, but I have only 94.6 thousand. I hope this bug will fix very soon. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you like the video and subscribe my channel.